Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make cowboy cookies. Let's get started. To start this recipe off, I have 1 stick of unsalted butter here in my bowl and it is at room temperature. I also have 1/3 cup of brown sugar and then 1/3 of a cup of sugar as well. I'm going to blend these up until they're nice and creamy. My butter and sugar is nice and creamed. To that I'm going to add 1 whole egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now it's time for our dry ingredients. I have 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour here, plus a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. A 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, a 1/2 cup of caramel morsels, and these are little pellet kinds, you can find them in the baking section, and then a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. These are looking good. I'm going to grab my pan and portion these out into 12 cookies. I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees and I'll see you after I pan them. My cookies are all rolled out. I've got 12 cookies here on my sheet. I'm going to put these in the freezer for 15 minutes and then right after that I'm going to pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 minutes. I'll see you in a minute. My cowboy cookies are out of the oven and they look so good. I'm going to give one a try. These are so good. This is my first time ever making cowboy cookies. My coworker asked me to make them as his like farewell gift. And I was like, okay, I'll do it. These are actually pretty good. These are actually pretty darn good with the caramel, the chocolate chips, and the pecans. Okay, cowboy cookies, let's do it. You want to let these, if you don't want them like really falling apart soft, let them all come all the way up to room temperature because the caramel makes them really soft. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I post every Friday. Thanks for watching.